Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Got another Magnum 1 here on the bench. Belongs to Harrison in North Carolina. Harrison, this is your Magnum 1. Okay. I already did the stock test on it and I've already done the upgrades. Let me show you what I did inside of here. Magnum adds a couple of jumpers, some modifications for like talkback and things like that. But the wire is kind of big, so I add some hot glue to help hold that wire in place. Now, I've already done the frequency mod, okay, and more hot glue to hold their modifications, keep them from moving around. And I've upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter capacitor, the electrolytic capacitor, from a 1000 to a 3300. I've done the same thing on the input DC voltage buffer filter capacitor. Upgraded it to a 3300. Alright, I've added hot glue around the back of the power jack. Since I've been doing this, I haven't had any complaints about the pins pushing out. Before I started doing this, I received 2 or 3 complaints about when they tried to use aftermarket power cables, it would push the pins out of the back of the power connector. And since I've started adding the hot glue back here, haven't had that anymore. Okay. Alright, the radio has been completely aligned and tuned up. Output power before I changed the finals was 50 watts peak. And there is your FQP 13N10s. Okay, you can see that pretty good right there. Made a hell of a difference in this radio, especially these Magnums. It seems to make a lot of difference in these. Alright, I've got 100 watt slugs in there. Meter on the left is RMS. Meter on the right is peak. Okay. I'm on, what is it, 27405. Injecting a 1000 hertz tone. The reading on that bottom scale there, on the 100 watt scale, I've got the meter on ×1. It's like 90 watts with that 1000 hertz tone injected in there. 60 watts RMS. I'm on the lower side, I think. Or am I? No, I'm on the AM. Okay. Yes, I was on the lower side. I'm sorry. Now let's go to AM. We're dead keying about 40 watts, and the RF power is turned all the way up. Okay. Hello, test 1 2 1 2 test. Audio testing 1 2. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on FM. Audio test audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio testing audio. Okay, so we're dead keying 20 watts on AM and swinging to almost 90 watts on AM. Audio. And this final section is cool as a cucumber. Okay, let's switch back to lower sideband. Hello, test hello. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Audio testing audio. About 58 watts RMS. I tell you, these little FQP 13N10s and these Magnum 1s, they are outstanding. Now, I'm running this at, yeah, it's 13.8 volts, okay? Is the RF power all the way up? Yep. Just checking. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test audio. Amazing. Okay, let me get the covers put on it. We'll test the receiver. Be right back. Okay, Harrison, I got the signal generator going. We are on channel 38. Got 30% modulation going in there and 100 microvolts. Okay. And there's your S9 signal. Switch to sideband. See, which way do I need to go? I need to go this way. Yeah. There it is on sideband. You have to remember, there it is on FM. The TCXO oscillators inside these radios are extremely, and I do mean extremely, correct. They don't drift. This thing is rock steady. Let's see what it is. What is it on? Upper side. Okay, there we go. There it is on lower side. Okay. All right. And I've already shown you the output power. All I can say is please read the manual. Let's show you the frequency limits. You have option 3. Band A starts at 26,065. Okay, and then band E, the top frequency is 28,305. All right, band F goes from the absolute lowest, which is I think 24.5, to almost 30 continuously. Okay, a lot of turning of the dial, but you can change that around by pressing the clarifier button in and selecting which channel or which digit you want this to change. Okay, by doing like that. All right. Okay, 11 meters is on band Charlie. Let's put it on an external antenna. Let's see, is it on the right one? Yeah, it is. Let's see if we can find somebody talking. This almost 12, almost midnight on a Sunday night. Thought I might be able to pick up a trucker or two. Here's your high cut. Oops, sorry. Got to press the function button and then press high cut. Boy, isn't that nice? The writing underneath the button is what you get when you press the function. Okay? See what else we can find. Now there's a group that stays on 21. Another one that stays on 28. I guess all of them went to bed. That's my signal generator. We're on the external antenna. Damn. Turn that off. Don't hear anything there. Let's see what we hear on 38. There's high cut on sideband. That's nice. You see the little high cut thing come on there. Noise blinker is on. This is a really nice rig. I was glad to see Magnum come out with it. Now I wish they would get the small version. You know, they've got a small version of the same radio. I'd like to see one of those come in with the Magnum brand on it. Okay. Well, I guess that's pretty much going to do it. Turn that off. Okay, Harrison, I sure hope you enjoy your new Magnum 1. It was my pleasure to set it up for you and to do the Lesscom mods. 7-3, everybody.